We are learning about liquids. What did you notice with our experiment? The water went to the bottoms of each of the containers. It didn't matter what shape the container was, the water always went to the bottom and then tried to spread out and fill out. The water took the shape of the container. If there was no container, like the floor, then it spread out. The container in that case would really be the entire room, but there wasn't enough water for the water to take the shape of the entire room, so it just spread out as much as it could. If we were to then just continue to fill the room with water, it would take the shape of the entire room if we had that much water. Liquids are a kind of matter that take the shape of the container it is in. Unlike solids, which keep their shape, no matter whether you put it in a cup or in a container or on the floor, solids stay the same shape, but liquids take the shape of the container. Without a container, liquids flow and have no shape. Think about what the water did when I poured it on the floor. Again, it would have eventually taken the shape of the room if there was so much water. Liquids take the shape of their container. In these pictures, you can see different containers holding different liquids, and that the liquids form the shape of the container. So here we have the milk that takes the shape of this container. Here we have soap, which takes the shape of this soap dispenser. We have juice, which takes the shape of this container where it's got these curves. This is oil, cooking oil. It takes the shape of this jug. And then here are some examples of soda bottles, and the soda is taking the shape of those bottles as well. Liquids usually feel wet, and you can pour them. Sometimes some are thicker than others, but they can pour and then they usually feel wet, unlike solids where a lot of times you touch a solid and then you don't get anything on your hands or feel it like that. Examples of liquids include milk, water, soap, oil, juice, soda, and shampoo.